Welcome back. Super excited moving forward. Almost nearing to the end of this particular course. There's an old saying, and very important, that if you don't take care of your customer, someone else will. Okay? Acknowledging this, every Lean Six Sigma project touches the final customer in some manner. Either it's quality or cost or time, any one of these manners. So today, Lean Six Sigma applications have gone far beyond spanning functional boundaries across the company and extending across the supply chain. So finding solution and improvements, your projects touch different aspects of the supply chain. Let me use inventory management as an example, because Lean Six Sigma projects for supply chain management commonly focus on some aspects of inventory management. The purpose of having inventory, of course, is to meet demand of your customers. So if you discover a problem with a particular customer order, you may launch a small project as to why you're having this problem. And that's where Lean Six Sigma comes in. So you know up front, you don't have the right inventory in the right place on the right time, because in this situation, you're not actually delivering to the customer as promised. There could be a number of reasons for this. Maybe poor focus of demand, creating a general inventory shortage. Maybe there's a problem with one of your suppliers for this particular product. Could be a capacity problem. Maybe a problem could be with the trucking or the transportation company that you hired. So all of these areas must be investigated. And when they're linked together, this is your supply chain. So every business has a supply chain to manage. No matter what your company does, you have a supply chain and you perform the same basic functions. So you construct a plan to meet your customer demand. You source the needed materials and the services from the suppliers. Then you make a product, and then you provide a service to your customer. Bottom line is you deliver a quality product. And of course, you get a return from your customer. This is supply chain basic. So Lean Six Sigma inventory project must balance all of these things, such as demand, factory lead time, supplier lead time, customer service levels, supply chain. And this goes beyond the classic cross-functional team. In fact, you need a cross-organizational team. You need experts from different parts of your company or experts from different suppliers or services. Because the solution lies somewhere within your supply chain and not necessarily within your own company. So that's where Lean Six Sigma is clearly not just for manufacturing. It's for services as well. Understanding the key performance indicators are both, is an important indicator. And remember that your company has many supply chains. So let's say an untimely delivery problem, you must know that particular line to cater to that issue. Suppliers, for example, may be quite different from supplying these, products to you. So strategic gaps, for example, discovered through benchmarking through other companies is one of the tools, techniques you can use. Cost avoidance, customer issues, regulatory issues, safety is important. Those issues that you can actually take a look at and use. Successful projects, by the way, must be replicated. And that's important for you as a manager. You need to make sure that if you've done a successful project in the past, chances are that you should replicate that, because it works and it provides the required benefit. Maybe supplier development programs is another issue where you can talk to suppliers and constantly communicate with them. Make their processes more efficient as they relate to you. So all of these tools and techniques are helpful in your Lean Six Sigma projects. Before you actually begin all of this, by the way, remember you need to draw a process map, right? Because that's sometimes, or in fact, very effectively helps you map all of these areas, and then you can easily identify and then implement the Lean Six Sigma methodology. So I hope this helps. Practice with this, and let's move to the next lesson.